Hello kids. In the last video, we learned about be alert and be safe. Lesson in that safety rules at school, safety rules at home, safety rules on road, safety rules in classroom and safety rules on playground. We learned all about these. Okay, now we are going to learn about first aid. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. When we are going to give a first aid, when we are going to help to a injured person, we remember some simple things. We remember some simple things in place of accident. Do not become panic or get scared. It is very important to stay calm and help the injured person also calm down. When accidents happen, if you are present in that time, you are going to give a first aid that one injured person. Don't become panic, don't get scared. It is very important to stay calm and help the injured person also to calm down. Do not crowd around the injured person. Let him or her breathe comfortably. Do not gather, do not crowd where the accidents happen in that place. Around the injured person, let him or her breathe comfortably. If the injured person is bleeding, clean the wound first with water, then with an antiseptic lotion. If the injured person get hurt and bleeding started, clean the wound part with water and then with an antiseptic lotion apply on that one wound. Use a clean handkerchief or bandage to cover the wound. You first wash the hand, after that use the antiseptic lotion on that one wound, and then use a clean handkerchief or bandage to cover the wound. Next, fifth number, in case of burns, we should hold the burnt part under water or ice. Apply ice to it. In case of burns, we hold the burnt part under water or apply ice cubes, means ice to it. Understood again? These are the first aid simple things, points are there when we are going to treat a accident, means injured person. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person. Understood kids? Now see, think, can the following things be used as a toys? Give reason for your answer. No. These are the dangerous things, means sharp, pointed. So we can't use these one things as a toys. If we are used, we'll get a hurt. Accidents will become. So we do not use these all things as a toy. Okay. Now see, we are going to revise the lesson. Let us revise. Accidents can be avoided by following safety rules. Yes or no, kids? How can avoid the accidents? Accidents can be avoided by following the safety rules. Point 2. We should follow safety rules at home, in classroom, on playground and on the road. Yeah, we must follow the safety rule at home, in classroom, on playground and on the road. Otherwise, what happen? If we will not follow these one safety rules, accidents will be happened. That time we get injured. So we should follow the safety rules at home, in classroom, on playground and on the road. Point 3. Immediate help given to an injured person is called the first aid. Immediate help given to an injured person is called the first aid. Here lesson division also over. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Okay, first we read the options. First aid, cold, footpath, sharpener and corridors. A. Holding the hand under running water. Dash dash water gives a lot of relief in case of burns. Holding the hand under running dash dash. Under running dash dash, water gives a lot of relief in case of burns. Which word will fill here? First aid? No. Cold? Is perfect word? Yes. Holding the hand under running cold water. Right here, cold. Cold water gives a lot of relief in case of burns. Second one, B. We must always use dash dash to sharpen our pencil. What will use? What we must use? First aid? No. Footpath? No. Sharpener? What will you use to sharpen the pencil? Sharpeners. Yes, correct. Right here. Sharpener. C. Dash dash is the immediate help given to an injured person. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. Right here, first aid. Next, D. We must always walk on the two options remain, footpath or corridor. We must always walk on the footpath. Right here, footpath. E. Never run along the school dash dash corridors. Never run along the school corridors. Okay, now here fill in the blanks over. Now see, state whether the following statements are true or false. A. We can pick up a hot vessels with a bare hands. It is true? No. Wrong. So, right here, false. We do not pick up, we can't pick up a hot vessels. We don't touch also hot vessels with a bare hand because we'll get burnt. Understood? B. We should play on the road. We should play on the road? Wrong. We should not play. We should not play on road. C. We should apply an antiseptic lotion on a wound. Yes. When we get hurt, first we wash the wound, then apply antiseptic lotion on a wound. Yes, it is a true. Right here, true. D. We should not play near electrical wires. Yes, we should not play because we'll get current, we'll get a shock. So, we should not play on near electric wires. It is a true. E. It is a good idea to look for unidentified things and play with them. Wrong. It is a good idea to look for unidentified things and play with them. It is a wrong. So write here false. Understood, kids? Here true or false also over. Now we are going to solve the question answers. Answer the following questions. Before going to write answer, we read the question carefully. Then pause the video 2 minutes. You read the question, pause the video 2 minutes and find out the answers. How can accidents be prevented? How can accidents be prevented? Turn the page. Read the lesson. Read the lesson, you will get the answers. Okay? I'll say accidents can be avoided by taking a proper care, following the safety rules at home, in classroom, on the playground and on the road. Understood? Accidents can be prevented by taking a proper care of following safety rules. Now, see, second question B. List any 3 carelessness actions that can causes accidents. Write any 3 carelessness actions that can causes accidents. Playing with a sharp pointed things. Playing with a sharp pointed things. Objects like knives, blades, scissors, needles, pins may be lead to accidents. Second, running around in classrooms or in the corridors may lead to accidents. Next, playing on the road. Look here, kids. Playing on the road also may lead to accident. Okay? These are the carelessness actions that can cause accidents. Now, question C. Why must children not be allowed to play in the kitchen? Because in kitchen we have many sharp pointed things like knives, scissors, hot and unflammable things like gas stoves, electrical appliances, mixer grinder, heater, brittle things like a glass. All these things may causes accidents by mishandling. So children should not be allowed to play in the kitchen. Understood, kids? Now next question D. What care should we take while crossing the road? Turn the page. Safety rules on the road. You read this one and tell me what care should we take while crossing the road, while crossing on the road. Before crossing road, look to the right, then to the left, then to the right again. Crossing the road only when traffic stops. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Understood, kids? Okay. Now next question is E. Why should we not touch electrical gadget with a wet hand? Because when we touch the electric gadget with a wet hand, what happened? We'll get shock. So don't touch the electric gadgets with a wet hand, otherwise we may get an electric shock. We may get an electric shop. Last question F1. What should we do in case of burns? What should we do in case of burns? Look in this picture. In case of burns, we should hold the burnt part under cold water or apply ice to it. In case of burns, we should hold the burnt part under cold water or apply ice to it. Understood, kids? Here are question answers also over. Before going to solve this exercise, you read the lesson and try to solve it on. Read the question, pause the video and find out the answers. Fill in the blanks, also find out true or false and question answers. First, you write down in your textbook, then copy it in your notebook. These all question answers I will give you as a homework. In homework, I will give you these questions answers. Understood, kids? Thank you for watching the video.